see what happens, to see if the IMT turn on by itself, to see if it works. Oh yes, it works. Look, it's on by itself without me pressing it. All right guys, I got another quick video for you on the GR Corolla 23. I know that you guys know that this car has automatic rev matching, but the thing I don't like about it, every time that I start the car, I have to turn it on. When I turn off the car, it goes off. Then I need to turn it back on. I don't mind having it. I mean, I guess I'm getting used to it, so I would prefer to stay on every time I start the car. So I found this this little connector that would basically tell it to enable it every time I start the car. So I found it in one of those threads, so I'm gonna try it on my car. So also guys, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below, put the notification bell on so you didn't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. You see the IMT button, so every time I start I need to turn it on. So I would rather that this stays on when I start the car, and if I need to turn it off, I can easily turn it off. So let's try this little mod and see what happens, guys. So guys, this is the little thing that I found. I think I found it, it's actually for auto start stop, to basically turn it off. So this also should work for the Toyota Corolla. So I bought this on Amazon. I think it was $30. Don't quote me, I'll put the link down below, guys. So let's give it a try. To get access to this button, so the quickest way to do it, I don't want to take all this thing off. The quickest way to do it, then pop this guy off. And when you buy it, they also send you this thing too. So you should be able to pop it off. Should be fairly easy. All right, there you go. And then you got to be able to put your hands down here, and I think that's the button. I don't know if you could see when. All right guys, you guys see that plug right here? I'll put an arrow so you guys can see. So this plug is for the IMT, so I'm gonna take this plug out. I can't hold the camera and do it, but I'm gonna try to take it out and then put the new stuff in. All right, so this is the plug, guys. So there's a little tab on the top. It's not easy to do it and to get your camera view. Push it up, there you go, I got it. It's easy to take it out. So here's the plug, guys. So this is the stuff that I bought. So let's plug it in. It should. Okay, it's plugged in, and the blue part goes back into the button. So let me sneak my hands in there again. It should be fairly easy. I think it was up. All right, there you go, guys. Okay, so this is the blue plug, guys. So it's all connected. So now that it's done, let's give it a try. Let me take out my hand. So guys, this is done. Let's press the clutch pedal, hit the GR button, and see what happens, to see if the IMT turn on by itself, to see if it works. Oh yes, it works. Look, it's on by itself without me pressing it. So I'm gonna have to drive the car to see how it goes. If I press it, it should turn it off. Okay, nice. Press it back on, it's on. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off the car. So basically I turn off the car, act like I'm getting out of the car and coming back into the car and starting the car. So hit my clutch in, press my button. Let's see if it comes on automatically. Oh yeah, it works, guys. Haha, nice little mod, I love it. Last thing you gotta do, guys, once you know it's working, you put this cover back. It should be fairly simple. Line it up, clip it in, boom. That's it, guys. All right guys, I like this little mod. It's easy peasy. So I can just easily turn off my automatic rev match if I need to turn it off, but it automatically turns on. I love it. That should have been something from the factory, but anyway, it's all done. Like and subscribe, guys. Tell me what you think right here in the comment down below. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Until the next time, guys, peace.